Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential, actionable items so you don't waste time. First, check any hardware Wi-Fi key or FN plus wireless icon. These physically enable or disable the radio. Once done, open the taskbar network icon and make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is selected. Then press Windows key, type Device Manager, open Network Adapters, and make sure the wireless adapter shows as enabled. If it's disabled, enable it now. This often restores connectivity immediately because the driver will resume normal operation. Next, focus on drivers and network settings because software issues are common. You should update the wireless driver in Device Manager or roll it back if a recent update broke things. HP Support Assistant can auto-find the correct driver. Once done, run Windows Network Troubleshooter to apply fixes automatically, and from command prompt run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to refresh your IP lease. Also verify you're connecting to the correct SSID and password on the router. Mismatched credentials will prevent association even with a working adapter. To finish, perform a power cycle because many router or modem faults clear after a full reboot. You should shut down the laptop, unplug power, then power off modem and router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, restart the modem, then router, and finally your laptop. If that fails, use Windows Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Network Reset to rebuild network stacks. And if nothing works, consider System Restore to a working point or test connectivity with a USB Wi-Fi adapter. This isolates hardware from software problems and is a quick diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.